Hello everyone, Lagos Housewife is back again. Today I am going to be making a recipe using two things I've made in previous recipes. Number one, remember this yogurt flatbread I made? I'll be using it in today's recipe. If you want to know how to make it, check this. That's where the recipe is. And secondly, I will be using this white sauce I made. Remember that recipe where I showed you how to make 3 sauces right here? Yes, this is one of them and I'll be using it today. And what I'll be doing is a chicken stir fry in the air fryer. Very quick, very easy. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a stir fry in the air fryer. It's not only if you want to air fry things, you can do, well, it's going to air fry, but it's stir fry. This is chicken breast cut into long strips. I just want to show you one of the strips. See that? So I just cut boneless chicken breast into strips. To that, I will add a little bit of salt, Holy Spirit spice, and suya spice. In fact, let me add a lot of suya spice. I want that suya taste inside. Then I'll mix this up. I can already smell the suya. Then I'll now toss in all the other veggies, the onions, the cabbage, the green bell pepper, and the red bell pepper. To that, I will add black pepper, a little bit of salt to that also, and more Holy Spirit spice for the veggies. And then I'll mix everything together. As I said, it's stir fry, so I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. And I'll mix that up. That is it. That's all the prep needed. Now, I won't pour this directly into the air fryer because, as I said, I want it to be like a stir fry, not really air fry. So I'm going to pour it inside here and put that in the air fryer. Don't fall out. Now, the reason I'm packing it, stuffing it up like this is because I really do not want it crispy fried, as if I'm frying something. I want it moist and soft, not dry at all. I want it moist and soft. So that's why I'm packing it up. Okay. So, time to move it to the air fryer. I'll set it to 170 degrees for 15 minutes. We're ready. Look at that. Let me move this out. Oops, it's hot and so moist. Let me show you something. It's hot. Look. Can you see that? It's not dry at all, but it's crispy. Just tearing. Now let me show you how I'll stuff it. Bringing my flatbread out. Remember I told you how to freeze it. So this has been in the freezer. See, still soft. Now, I want this crispy back to be the back, then this one, this dry part will be the inside. Yeah. Don't let me be too greedy. Then the sauce. Just wipe this. Okay. Then I simply roll it up like this. Now, at this point, if you want the wrap to be hot, you can simply put it in the air fryer for like 2 minutes. But I won't be doing that because the stir-fried chicken and veggies is still very, very hot. So it will just, the warmth will pen. In fact, it's already, the whole flatbread is already getting warm already. So I won't bother doing that. Instead, I'm simply going to move on to eating. Number 7. Abi? Item 7. Yes. Yes, I was trying not to talk with food in my mouth. Please try this. This is so amazing and so healthy. You see, it's very easy to eat healthy, delicious food. If you don't have an air fryer, do your stir fry in frying pan. It's stir fry. It's not as if anything special. I just like using the air fryer because it's so fast. And that is it for today. Your chicken stir fry stuffed into the wrap. The recipe for everything is already on my channel. See why you need to subscribe to my channel. See why you need to turn on notifications. See why you need to share with everyone. And see why you need to give me a thumbs up for this video. Till next time, ciao.